Introducing the KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears, the ultimate tool for all your kitchen cutting needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, these shears are perfect for you. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these scissors are built to last and make cutting everything from herbs to poultry a breeze. The soft grip comfort handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods of time without any discomfort. Imagine effortlessly cutting through tough chicken bones, chopping up fresh herbs, or even opening a stubborn package. These shears can handle it all. And with the included protective sheath, you can safely store them away when not in use. Upgrade your kitchen game with the KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears today. Don't miss out on this essential tool for any home cook. Get yours now and experience the convenience and ease of using top-quality kitchen shears. Order now.